Good morning. I look like I feel like death. Probably because I do. And I have way more coffee than I think I can drink. But I also don't want to build my collection of coffee thermoses at work like I do on a weekly basis. I take one coffee thermos to work. I don't bring it home. I take another coffee thermos to work. I then have 2 coffee thermoses at work and I don't bring either of them home. And it just becomes a problem. I'm super glad it's Friday. I started feeling kind of cloudy last night. Fortunately, my head doesn't feel cloudy, but I can definitely tell that my throat is a little swollen. Not really my throat, but like, I'm not a doctor, so like whatever this part is, I think people say like lymph nodes, but I don't know. This part feels swollen because like it's big, and then I just like, you know, when you get that feeling in the back of your throat that you're getting a little sickly, that's how I feel. So I went to bed at 10 o'clock last night and I slept pretty well. I think I woke up maybe a few times, that's not really well. I know I did wake up because I tossed and turned a little bit. I got a little hot, but then I didn't. And I still couldn't wake up at my alarm and still had to snooze it. So I think I got 8 hours, more than 8 hours, but I don't know. I'm gonna be getting ready pretty soon. I don't know what time it is because I'm using my phone to vlog because convenience. And then I'm going to work and that's my life every day. Did anyone else do the little Spotify premium wrap-up thing? Because like, obviously, if you have Spotify, you probably did. Apparently my most streamed artist is John Williams. And I do listen to a lot of his music as background music. And I listen to background music for longer periods of time than I do just like other types of listening music. I just thought it was funny. He's literally always my favorite artist of the year. And I was trying to change that this year, but clearly they didn't. Okay, I gotta get ready now. Okay, I think you all know what the metro looks like by now, so I'm just gonna actually just leave and be back in 10 hours because it's 8 and I get home at 6. Yay, adulting! I'm home. Blood orange, carrot, and ginger. Maybe that will be good. I don't know. That's what I'm looking for. I don't feel well, so I can do this. Even if I did feel well, I can still do this. My plan is to eat these pizzas, even though I would really like to have a 6-pack at some point in my life, but that's definitely not gonna happen with this sort of diet. And just watch Christmas movies for the remainder of the evening. I went to work today, obviously, because I go to work every day, and I'm definitely getting sick. My nose is running. And my brain is just cloudy. But fortunately, I didn't have to like work very hard today, especially for a Friday, so that was really good. But I'm still wanting to relax and maybe even possibly go to bed early today because I did go to bed at like 10 o'clock last night and I was still tired this morning. I just hope that whatever this is passes quickly. I have a routine, not really a routine, but a couple go-tos that I go to when I get sick. Pizza isn't one of them, but definitely taking it easy is. That's what I'm doing tonight. Yay. Not gonna lie, I'm not really watching this Christmas movie and I don't really want to watch this Christmas movie or possibly any movie at the moment. I haven't watched Disney Plus in a week, which is like insane. I really want cookies, but I also want to have a nice body, which is really impossible to do when you're eating cookies and pizza. But then I feel kind of sick, so I want to just eat something that makes me happy without feeling bad about it. How do I do that? We weren't gonna do it. We're gonna do it. You see this mess? You see that? That's what happens when both you and your fiance don't ever clean. Well, we do clean. We clean. Like, we do a deep clean. But not, you know, it gets really bad before it gets clean. And right now is one of those times where it's really bad. See, there's recycling over there. There's laundry over there. There's just a mess. A pizza box that's gonna sit there for a week. It's a struggle. I hate cleaning. It's not my favorite thing to do. Of course, I don't think it's anyone's favorite thing to do, but it's certainly not mine. I never have. I am still on the couch. How do I have the energy to even say that like that? Oh my God. It's like I'm tired and I want to go to bed, but at the same time, I'm not that tired, and so I don't want to go to bed. And my gosh, this kitchen is a mess. Story of my life. Darn it, I forgot to open up my water jug, and I forgot I haven't brushed my face. I meant to say I haven't washed my face. I'm a mess, like this apartment, which I thought I might, I don't know, clean. That's funny. It's funny, I thought I was gonna clean that tonight. Of course that wasn't gonna happen tonight, not when I'm on the brink of feeling like, ugh. And I also probably shouldn't have all that pizza and cookies. Live and you learn. Well, I don't think much is gonna happen in the next, it's only 8:30. It's only 8:30 on a Friday, but I'm about ready to go to bed. Or at least get in bed, and get in the covers and not get up until tomorrow morning. So I think I'm just gonna call it a night. Call it a night with my trash in the background, because I'm trash. Like my apartment. Bye.